I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Godox light setup for video. We'll explore how these powerful and affordable lights can elevate your productions. Understanding the fundamentals of a three-point lighting system is crucial for professional-looking footage. Godox provides excellent tools for both beginners and experienced videographers to achieve stunning visual results. Let's dive into how to effectively use these lights to enhance your video projects. When choosing Godox lights for video, consider models like the SL150 or VL200. These offer consistent, bright illumination essential for video recording. The AD series, while primarily strobes, often include powerful continuous modeling lamps useful for pre-visualization. Don't forget essential modifiers such as softboxes and parabolic reflectors to sculpt your light perfectly. Setting up a classic three-point lighting system is straightforward with Godox. Your key light, the brightest, goes at a 45-degree angle to your subject. The fill light, placed opposite, should be about half the key light's power to soften shadows. Finally, a backlight behind your subject adds separation and depth, making your subject truly pop from the background. Beyond the basics, Godox lights offer many creative possibilities. Try using colored gels to introduce specific moods or enhance your scene's atmosphere. Grids are excellent for directing light exactly where you want it, minimizing spill. Integrating practical lights, like lamps within your set, adds realism. Always adjust your light's color temperature to match other light sources for a cohesive look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.